Hello guys, as you all know, I am Navyashree HS, pursuing second year engineering at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering with the USN 1VE23CS112. Today we are going to discuss the topic simple to-do list with deadlines in the subject of OOPS with Java. Course code BCS306A. Now we are going to give introduction to a given topic. Creating a simple to-do list application with deadlines in Java using object-oriented programming principles is a great way to apply your understanding of Java and OOP concepts. In this discussion, we will cover the basic requirements for the application, explore the key OOP principles, and design the classes that make up the application. Overview of the to-do list application. The to-do list application allows user to manage tasks with specific deadlines. Users can add tasks, view all tasks, mark them as completed and delete tasks. Each task will contain information such as task description, deadline and completion status. Key OOP principles. Encapsulation. These principles involves bundling the data, attributes and the methods functions that operate on the data into a single unit, usually a class. This helps restrict direct access to some components, which can prevent accidental interference and misuse. Next, abstraction. Abstraction involves hiding the complex implementation details and showing only the essential features of the object. This helps in simplifying the interference with the user. Next, inherents. This principle allows a new class to inherit properties and methods from an existing class. It promotes code reusability. Polymorphism. Polymorphism allows methods to do different things based on the object it is acting upon. This can be achieved through method overloading and overriding. Next, class design. The to-do list application can be designed using several classes. Below are the given. Task class. This class represents a single task. Task Manager class. This class manages a collection of tasks, allowing users to add, remove and list the task. Main class. This is the entry point of the application where users can interact with the application. Here we are going to discuss a program which helps us to understand the task class. The task class encapsulates the details of a task, including description, deadline and completion status. First we need to import the Java. Next we need to define the public class by taking the name task, private string description, private local time, date time deadline, private boolean is incompleted. Next we need to give the string description by using construction. This description is equals to description, this deadline is equals to deadline, this is incompleted which is a false statement. Next we have to define the description. Next return the description. Next we have to define public local date time boolean equations, void marks as completed. Next we have to return all these sentences. Next override it. That's all about task class. Next we are going to discuss a program about task manager class. Task manager class manages multiple task objects. It provides methods to add, remove and list tasks. First we need to import Java with the array list. Next we have to define the class task manager. Next we have to input the new array list. Next we have to add the array list using string description, local date time deadline, new task which gives the another task with using description and deadline. Next we have to return the task. Next, public, we have to remove the task using int index. Next, we have to give a input system using a statement system.out.println within a parenthesis invalid task index. Next, we have to list the tasks using the int index function. Next, we have to give the input. Next, we have to return the program. Next, we are going to discuss about main class. The main class acts as the interference for the user to interact with the application. It can be implemented using a console based menu. First, we have to import the Java. Next, we have to define the class using void main string address. Next, we have to input the task manager. Next, we have to input using system.out.print welcome type welcome to the to-do list application. Next, we have to do command addition, list completion, remove, exit. Next, we are using switch statement. For first case add, we have to enter the task description, enter the deadline like date, year, time. Next, you have to enter the local time. Next, we have to break this case. Next, we are going to give a conclusion to the video. In this simple to-do list application, we have applied OOP principles by creating classes that encapsulate related properties and behaviors. The task class represents individual tasks, while the task manager class oversees the collection of tasks, and the main class serves as the user interference, allowing interaction through a simple console menu. This application demonstrates the effectiveness of OOPS in structuring code, making it more modular, maintainable, and understandable. As you continue to develop your skills, you can enhance this application adding features like file storage, prioritization of tasks, or even a graphical user interface. Each addition will further reinforce your understanding of Java and OOP concepts. That's all about the concept. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like.